Hey, good morning, guys. We are in the trunk of my 72 Cadillac Fleetwood, 75 Fleetwood limo. It's 72, but it's a 75 series Fleetwood limo, factory limo from Cadillac. This is on Bring a Trailer, or it will be on Bring a Trailer soon. You'll see this on YouTube. When you guys pull up the Bring a Trailer listing, once it goes live, you'll see that I have already photographed some of the things: the full-size car cover, extra AC parts, the hood crest, OEM hood crest, never installed, perfect, brand new, that were in the box. And I like doing videos when there's a ton of paperwork that proves mileage and previous ownership. So what we're going to find is we're going to find the original window sticker, confirming it is a factory Fleetwood 75 Limousine from Cadillac. Going over the features and options, showing a sticker of $12,837. Got two sets of keys here, another set of keys in the car. There is the warranty information. I've got there's a letter in here from Cadillac to the original owner. I thought there was an invoice in here, maybe not. What I've discovered is the original owner, I'll use his name. He may or may not be with us still. Looks like John Matson bought it brand new and owned it through I see the latest, or the most recent registration card I see is 95. So 72, 82, 92, 20-something, 23 years he owned it. Then it looks like went to one other person, which I think owned a Cadillac dealership. Then my guy that I got it from, who collects limos, that's who I got it from. So only a handful of people that own this car, and from what I understand, a Cadillac dealer used it for a period of time. The original guy, from my understanding, lived in New York and used it on the weekends to be shuttled back and forth to church. That's the story I got. You know, instead of the little old lady driving to church, it's the little old guy that got shuttled to church. Which is believable because it has low miles and the car is just impeccable in a lot of ways. Look at that. Very original, straight car. Waiting for the title to come in before it hits bat. And once it hits Bring a Trailer, we're going to let this baby roll and see what happens. We are going to bring it to sell. And stuff like this is like gold to me. When you're a collector, not only do you want a low-mile car, but you want proof. And sometimes we don't have the trunk full of goodies like we have on this car. So very fortunate that we have that. It's a great car. It should do a nice big number. A serious collector car. And it's definitely investment grade. So there you go, guys. Check it out. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. And we'll just be waiting patiently for the title to arrive so I can put it on Bring a Trailer, which should be in the next 7 to 10 days, I would think. Today is Monday, April 5th, I think it is. So hopefully by the middle of the month, we'll be ready to roll, guys. Any questions, put them in the comment section. Have a great day.